Alrighty, so this implementation this week was built by Josh Oliver, as well as Jason here, one of our developers inside of Zoho Creator. This is a build out to actually build a little UI to manage email templates inside of Creator. And so you might think, why would I need this kind of like pre-baked UI in here? Well, the reality is that when you build a Creator application, right, it's going to have lots and lots of moving pieces. But some of the things that the CRM does, like give you a native place to store email templates, don't exist in Creator. It's more of a development platform that you have to build these types of things yourself. And so in this case, the goal was pretty much to give our client a place where they could create their own email templates and use them themselves throughout Creator, as needed, without having to build, an email template inside of a Deluge script, right? Where we're predefining everything in there, because that makes it so the client can't really make these changes themselves. They want to change the language. Now, the cool thing about this implementation is that it's not just the templates. Jason and Josh actually built a UI here to be able to choose fields from CRM records and automatically add those merge tags to the template, so that it really gives you that same type of use case and workflow that you have in CRM, right? So essentially, we built a module for the email templates. Really simple module, essentially has subject line, the name of the template, a place to pick which fields you want to merge, and then a big rich text, right, for you to write in everything else. As you pick a field, so let's say you want to pull in like contact first name, you can just pick that in your drop down. It's going to give you that as a response, the exact merge tag that you need to use. You can just copy paste that right into the template wherever you'd like that value to show up. And then last but not least, right, when we actually go to send it out, it's super slick. So let's say I had one of those records in Creator. I click the send email button. That kind of pulls up a form. I can pick the template and it'll actually show me that content with the values merged in before I confirm it and send it out. So it really does create almost the same kind of like email management and email sending workflow that we have inside of CRM, but just natively built into a Creator application. So pretty slick. Great job to Josh and Jason. This is one of those ones that, you would kind of just think that Creator has that same like email templates page, but it's just not really the purpose of the app. So when you want something like that, you do occasionally just have to build custom. But this is a pretty fun one, and one that I would assume we're going to be using again, right? Because this is a pretty regular use case.
Yeah, it's nice. So they basically built out the entire template module in CRM over in Creator, huh?
Yeah. The nice thing here is really just to give the client more autonomy, right? Like in an ideal world, if a client wants a new email template, they should be able to make it, and not have to come to us to kind of like hard code it into the back end of the system, right? It's not a super scalable way to do your emailing. So this kind of helps give that autonomy back to the client when they're in Zoho Creator.
Nice job, Josh and Jason.